Hi everybody. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do our do now. How would you describe the difference between speed and acceleration? All right, that sounds pretty good. When we're in a car, how fast the car is going, miles per hour, etc., that's speed. Acceleration is the movement from stop or a stop motion all the way to that movement. So that's the motion getting us there. And then what was the highlight of your week last week? Go ahead, share out. Don't forget, this is your do now. Today, though, our learning targets is that I will complete my missing and failed assignments up to the point in the 9 weeks. I will complete an ed puzzle to launch my understanding of force and motion. So I can check my marking period to grade in Schoology, fill out my teacher's checkpoint form, checking and admitting your grade, complete any missing or failed assignments, and complete the forces and motion ed puzzle. There's also something not on here is that you can also do the force and motion vocabularies. So I'm going to, while we're talking, I'm going to just click here and I'm going to add that on. Complete vocabulary, force, and motion. So this, my friends, as you're watching a live edit, is a list of things we're doing. Today is our catch-up day. And while we're doing that, here's some things we're going to look at. You're going to log into Schoology and click on the grade tabs, which is on the left, and check for your missing work. That would have 2 dashes or a red circle. And you're going to log into Home Access to find your class average. In another tab, you're going to go to the link in the white folder that says Catch-up Day Check-in. It is a Google form, and complete that form for a grade. You're going to work and complete your missing assignments today. If you have no missing assignments, you will complete the ed puzzle, force, crash course, and then you can also do vocabularies, force, and motion assignments. And you need to tell one of us you are done so you can check off. Now, if you're watching this at home, just complete that form and work on those missing work, and we're really appreciative of that. And then your exit ticket, is there anything about motion in the real world that you want to know about? How something works, or why does what it does. So we'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great day.